welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Casinos under Union Finance Ministry scanner more than 7,000 suspicious transactions. Reports hint at funds related to crime and terror trickling in casinos. Huji, Lashkar-e-Taiba and Pakistan Army jointly plan to target tourists in Goa and Mumbai. Disclosure by NIA in charge sheet against terrorist David Hadley before Delhi court. Legendary musician Anthony Gonsalves laid to rest. Indian film industry loses a precious star. Noted personalities pay last tributes to Anthony. Murder at Serauli. Constancio de Silva brutally murdered in a room close to his residence. Police question a lady and her son. Third murder in Kolwa in a month.
Salgaonkar thrashed title aspirants Churchill brothers in I-League derby 3-0. Churchill coach Manuel Gomes blames hectic I-League schedule for loss. My players are not machines, says Manuel.
And Goa lose to Hyderabad by 11 runs in third match of PS Ram Mohan Limited over trophy on Sunday. Lack of concentration and right attitude led to loss, says coach Vivek Swarkar. And now the news in detail. Casinos are under a scanner for crime and terror-related funding. More than 7,000 instances of suspicious transactions have been detected in the elite gaming business during the last financial year. Government of India's report has indicated signs of possible funds related to crime and terror trickling into the Indian casino sector. There are in all 20 casinos in Goa, and the report is considered vital on Goa's security scene.
Financial Intelligence Unit is an enforcement agency under the Union Finance Ministry. According to the report of the Financial Action Task Force, India has more than 20 casinos. Goa has the majority of these gaming facilities. 14 land-based casinos located in 5-star hotels and 6 offshore. There are a few in Sikkim. A total of 7,006 suspicious transaction reports during the 2010-11 fiscal have been reported by the casino business and elite payment operators to the Financial Intelligence Unit. A Finance Ministry official said, the casino sector is vulnerable to instances of criminal money and terror funding in its channels. The STRs in the last fiscal indicate the unusual complexity of money involved in the sector. Casino Sector Assessment Committee had recommended certain measures to the government to curb this menace. Casino business be brought under comprehensive legal framework, create autonomous regulators or gaming regulators, strengthen anti-money laundering and financing of terror regulations, know your customer, guidelines to be prevalent in casino sector, receive, analyze, disseminate data of suspect transactions under PMLA, strengthen money laundering laws in casino sector. Goa has 20 casinos. The casino sector in the state has been in controversy in past. It would be interesting to see how seriously the state government takes the cognizance of this report. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Huji, Lashkar-e-Taiba and the Pakistan Army were jointly planning to target tourists in Goa and Mumbai. National Investigation Agency has disclosed this in its charge sheet filed against Pakistani-American terrorist David Hadley. A Delhi court heard arguments on Saturday taking cognizance of the charge sheet filed by NIA against Hadley and 8 others for planning and executing terror strikes in India, including the 26/11 attack.
The case came up for hearing before the special NIA judge H.S. Sharma on Saturday. The arguments are on the question of taking cognizance of NIA's charge sheet. Special Public Prosecutor Dayan Krishnan said that the terror outfits like Huji, LET and Pakistani army officials intended to target Indians and tourists. Hadley's role in the terror strikes has been detailed in the charge sheet. During the course of investigation, more than 300 witnesses were examined and evidence was collected from several sources such as banks, hotels, airlines, internet service providers and telephone service providers including Goa and concerned tourist states. The court gave a further date of hearing on 4th February after the arguments in the case remained inconclusive. The NIA had registered a case against Pakistani-American Hadley and Rana on November 12, 2009 and later on added other names after investigation by central security agencies showed a large set of people involved in terror activities against the country. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Legendary musician of Indian film industry Anthony Gonsalves was laid to rest on Sunday. He died at the age of 85 on Wednesday. Last rites were performed at the Mother of God Church in Majorda. Many noted personalities paid their final tributes to Anthony. He will be remembered for his remarkable work in the Indian film industry.
तो एक म्युझिशियन जसो हे इगोजून पांच बोगडी शिकलो ते शिकप केले उपरांत तो बोमाय गेलो बोमाय वचून तो फिल्मान जॉयन जालो आनी फिल्मान तेणें जायते नांव जोडलें वाजोवन आनी ते उपरांत तो अमेरिकेक गेलो अमेरिकेसून गोंय येयलो आनी गोंयान आतां घरान आहलो घरांतूच देन जावन तो एक्सपायर जालो.
Our reporter in Majorda, Savio dies.
A murder at Per Serauli rocked the village on Sunday. Constancio Miguel da Silva alias Nazario was found dead in a room close to his residence. The deceased is the brother of former Sarpanch of Serauli Agnello da Silva. Nazario's body was found in a pool of blood. Kolva police questioned a lady and her son to have a clue about the motive behind the murder. This is the third murder reported in Kolva in a month.
Constancio da Silva alias Nazario was found dead in a room on Sunday. Constancio was known as Nazario. The body was found in a room close to his residence at Serauli. Constancio's age was 71 years. Police say the body was found in a pool of blood. Police have found a hammer by the side of the body. The media was not allowed to enter the residence. Constancio was into the business of lending money. The motive of the murder is still not known. Kolva police are investigating into the case. Police have questioned a lady and her son to know the motive behind murder.
तो जेन्ना आमी स्पॉटार येयले आमकां अशें दिसलां की तो एक रूम आसा 3x3 आसता मॅक्सिमम त्या रुमान एक डेड बॉडी जमनी पडल्या फ्लोराचेर आनी इट इज इन द ब्लड ऑफ पूल म्हणजे ब्लड पडलें आसा सुकलें आसा सो आतां एट प्रेजेंट आमी सगळे आमचे सायंटिफीक एस्टिमेट कितें आपयलां तेंचे सगळे हेल्प घेवन सुप्रियाचे गायडन्स घेवन फुडलें कितें तें आमी पळयतले आनी एज पर दॅट कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ आमी एक्शन घेतले.
Constancio is the brother of former Sarpanch and present Panch of Serauli Agnel da Silva. This is the third murder reported in Kolva in a month. Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.